Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to type in any language on a PC. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So we'll be seeing two different ways in which we can use any language on our PC. So the first way is using Google Inputs tool for the Chrome, and then we will try to add the keyboard to the Windows 10. So once we let go into this first method, that is using the Google Input tools, all you need to go is to this website, that is google.com/input tools. So here once you go to this page, here you can see this try it out button. Click on the try it out button. So here you can just see this box like where, so once you get here, you can just see that we have a keyboard for the English, and also so here we have the option to choose languages. So here we have multiple languages here you can see. So you can choose any language. So let's say that like we choose some Hindi over here. So yes, so you can here see that we are choosing this Hindi and all. So, and in this way, you can just type it in Hindi. You can copy and paste it wherever you want to type in Hindi. So, this can be a way, and also you have a way to add this as an extension. Input tools as an extension to your Chrome, and you can use it wherever you want. So, in that way, also we can do. So, now comes the second method. So, now this method you can just use it as built in your Windows. So, go to the settings, like after you just click on the start, go to the settings, and after that you just need to choose the time and language over here, and then we can just find this language and region option. Click on it, and here you just see this preferred languages. Click on the add a language, and here you can see there are multiple languages so which are present over here. You can just choose any of these languages and then click on the next, and in this way you can add the language and use it in your computer for your text to speech, speech recognition, handwriting, basic typing and all. So in this way you can add a new language so which you want to type into your PC in this way, or else you can use the Google Input tools if you just use it rarely, and if you use it often you can just go for the extension of the input tools. So this is all for this video guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe so that you never miss an update from us.